Hello and welcome to What's New in the October 2025 Microsoft Game Development Kit. The GDK is a complete set of tools, APIs, extensions, and programming models that can be used across current and future Microsoft gaming platforms and initiatives. The design and features of the GDK are driven by your feedback about how you like to develop games. We're on a journey that goes back decades. With every release of the GDK, we take a step closer to a world where developing games for Xbox, Windows, and PC Game Pass is faster and easier, no matter where you started your development. The key features and fixes that are highlighted in this video are just a handful out of dozens, a mix of improvements for PC and Xbox development that speed up iteration times or give developers more powerful tools to optimize their game experiences. Most importantly, many of these features are the direct result of developer requests. Game input on console, feature parity with PC. Game input on Xbox now reaches feature parity with PC, giving you a single, modern input surface across platforms. It unifies keyboard, mouse, gamepads, and custom controllers under a consistent model that's synchronized to a common time base. The API is designed for low latency and thread safety, including render threads with both polling or event-driven callbacks. The result is simpler cross-platform input code, fewer legacy branches, and more reliable controller behavior across devices. For details and samples, visit aka.ms/gameinput. PlayFab Game Saves Preview Cross Progression. PlayFab Game Saves lets players continue their game when switching between Xbox and Steam. With support planned for additional devices and stores over time, the service handles both file synchronization and conflict resolution. For developers, it provides a cross-platform persistence layer, so you don't have to build your own sync and conflict logic. It also fully supports offline play, so players maintain a single point of progression. To join the preview, open your title in PlayFab Game Manager, go to Progression and Game Save Preview, and join the waiting list. Visit aka.ms/playfab-game-saves to learn more about the approach and integration. ARM64 and x64 executables in Microsoft Game.config. The Microsoft Game.config schema now supports specifying ARM64 binary alongside an x64 binary. Use the new architecture attribute on the executable element to declare which binary is ARM64 versus x64. The Microsoft Game Config Editor has been updated to make this straightforward. This enables native performance on ARM64 machines and simplifies multi-architecture builds, testing, and Microsoft Store packaging. New GDK directory layout. The GDK introduces a new directory structure designed to simplify integration and scale to additional target platforms. It improves support for both stock MS Build targets and non-Microsoft Build systems, reducing custom glue code and onboarding time. Developers benefit from clearer paths for headers and libraries, easier CI and packaging setup, and better support for additional target platforms. During the migration window, you can still install the old layout from GDK Setup to keep existing CI and third-party tooling working while you update paths and scripts. The current target for removing the old layout is 1 year after the October 2025 GDK release. To avoid packaging errors and support issues, teams should update their build scripts and pipelines ahead of this deadline. Xbox Game Package Manager, Unified Packaging and Upload. Xbox Game Package Manager is a new desktop app that unifies the functionality of Make Package and Package Uploader. It streamlines packaging Xbox games in both XVC and MSI XVC formats and uploading them to Microsoft Partner Center. Developers can build packages from loose files by using their installed GDK, apply smart default layouts, and override them as needed. Uploads use browser-based authentication, no client secrets or certificates, and support multi-tenant workflows for co-developed titles. The UI is accessibility-friendly and localized in multiple languages. Xbox Game Package Manager Validator Auto Update. You can now automatically update Submission Validator directly from your packaging workflow. Use Make Package Update Subval to check for a new validator. If found, it downloads the zip file, extracts it, and then places the updated DLL file in your bin directory, or to a custom location via /subval path. XGPM supports the same capability. Keeping the validator current reduces avoidable failures caused by outdated rule sets and helps speed certification and patch rollouts. Automated PC Video Capture WD Capture Session. WD Capture Session is a new command line capture tool for PC that records high-quality test video at 30 FPS by using H.264 or high-efficiency video coding. It's ideal for automating long-running captures during playtests, CI runs, and repro harnesses. Start and stop recording from scripts to collect consistent artifacts. HEVC provides better compression, while H.264 ensures broader compatibility. When choosing between them, consider the encoding and decoding capabilities of your test machines to avoid CPU bottlenecks. This complements WD Capture screenshots by giving teams reliable video evidence for bugs and performance investigations, speeding diagnoses and fixes. Cross-platform gaming runtime. The cross-platform gaming runtime now brings Xgame Invite APIs to handheld gaming devices, so your game can offer native Xbox invites on devices like Steam Deck and on non-Microsoft storefronts. With one module, you can also enable Xbox Identity, Profile, Friends, and Presence, delivering a consistent invite and join experience across PC and handhelds while reducing bespoke integrations and edge case bugs. Cross progression is built in with PlayFab game saves. On Windows, saves sync automatically in the background. On devices that don't support out-of-game lifetime, the same API handles in-session sync. Expect quick, dependable co-op with progression that travels across devices. The PlayFab Unified SDK Preview. The PlayFab Unified SDK is now included with the GDK as a single modular package that replaces several separate SDKs. It delivers consistent APIs, modern memory and thread handling, and automatic token refresh, streamlining integration while cutting authentication and concurrency issues. Teams can pull in only the components they need, speeding up onboarding and making CI and maintenance more predictable. Standardizing on one supported SDK version also reduces upgrade risk and helps keep certification and patch schedules on track. We hope that you've enjoyed learning about some of the new features in the October 2025 GDK. This video has just a few of the many investments that we make in every GDK release to help our development partners succeed. To learn more, take a look at our public GDK documentation at aka.ms/gamedevdocs. Experiment with our public version of the GDK at aka.ms/GDK, or if you're ready, join the ID at Xbox program at xbox.com/developers/ID today.